I recently made some videos showing off various features of WebStarts. I used a wedding website as an example in the video, and some of you wanted to know how I created the background particle effect on that wedding website. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, you can see the effect here. Notice I have this bride standing in a field, and there are tiny particles moving about the screen. It really brings the website to life and makes it visually interesting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did that. From the dashboard view, I'm going to hover over the thumbnail of my website and click the Edit Site button. That's going to load the page editor where we can work some magic. The next thing I'm going to do is find a nice high-resolution photograph. This is one that was taken at a professional wedding shoot. I highly suggest, if you haven't already done so, connect with a professional photographer or two in your area. Having original photos is so key for creating an impressive website. Now it's time to bring in these moving particles. The particles are actually a full-width video strip. So I'm going to go to my sidebar, click the Add button, then go down and click Video. From there, I'm going to click on the Video Search tab. I'm going to search using the keyword particles. You'll see there are a bunch of results. For this site, I chose particles that looked like they might be dandelion seeds blowing in the wind, but you can experiment with some of these other videos depending on the look you're going for. When you find the video, click to add it to the page, then click the full width icon to make it expand the entire width of the page. At this point, I chose to use the video as the back layer and then decrease the opacity of my photo and make the background color of my photo black. But again, depending on the look you're going for, you may want to order the layers differently, make different adjustments to the opacity, and apply a different background color. Lastly, I dragged everything in place, saved and published my page. Here you can see when I click on the View Site button, I have that great looking photo of my bride standing in a field with these moving particles passing by. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.